Alright, so I want to show you guys how the Rethreader works. It's actually really, really awesome. I just did it on 2 of these. I'm really happy with it. So let's say that you have a nut that's very tough to get off, right? I have to move this back a little bit. There's some room here. Like, this is a pain to get off right now. It's definitely fighting. So you can tell that your axle is not as good as it could be, if that is the case. And like, if you're trying to like put this on with your fingers and it's getting stuck, it's hard, it's time for you to rethread. So you take this tool, put it on flush, right, nice and level, start to spin it. Just be careful, make sure you're doing it straight. It'll catch when you're going in on straight on it. There we go. Alright, this is really, really hard for me to spin it. And that's a good sign, because that means that it's doing its job. Now it's very, very easy. Slight resistance here and there. Just keep spinning it until it gets all the way down to the bottom. Alright, can't really go much farther than this. Spin it back off. Check that out. Look how easy it's coming back off. Nice heavy duty. Not gonna break on you. Look at the difference. It just looks so cool. Alright, let's try to put this back on now. And look at that. Remember, we were struggling to get that on? Now it goes all the way up to where it starts to get tight at the top. And is a piece of cake to tighten up onto your truck. Definitely recommend doing this, actually. It made a big difference.